Hey everyone, today I'm excited to share my personal review with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. If you're new to drones or just looking for an upgrade, you'll want to hear about this. This drone weighs under 249 grams, so no registration is needed for recreational flying. I love how lightweight and portable it is. It's perfect for all my adventures without the hassle of paperwork. Safety is a big deal on the drone field, and the Mini 4 Pro doesn't disappoint. It has omnidirectional obstacle sensing, so it can detect obstacles in all directions. This feature has given me a lot more confidence, especially when flying in tight or unfamiliar spaces. Now let's talk about the camera. The Mini 4 Pro shoots 4K HDR video, delivering vibrant and crystal clear footage. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, the video quality is truly impressive. One of my favorite things is the extended battery life. With the Fly More combo, you get 3 batteries, each providing up to 34 minutes of flight time. That's a total of 102 minutes in the air. No more worrying about running out of juice in the middle of capturing that perfect shot. The DJI RC2 controller is intuitive and easy to use. Plus, with Active Track 360-degree, tracking moving subjects has never been easier. It's perfect for capturing dynamic shots effortlessly. And the real-time video transmission, absolutely lag-free, with a range of up to 20 kilometers. This means you can enjoy immersive aerial views without any delay, making long-distance flights more engaging and fun. With this, you also get a handy shoulder bag, making it super easy to carry everything you need. Plus, the charging hub allows you to charge multiple batteries simultaneously, so you're always ready to fly. All in all, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo has been an amazing addition to my gear. It's user-friendly, packed with features, and delivers top-notch performance. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade, I highly recommend giving it a try. If you want more details, check the product info in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy flying.